Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay here through our hellos. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Maria. Sorry, that's Matryoshka coming through. All right, guys, it's time for us to start. And today we will start the topic of gratitude, which is another of the 16 Buddhist guidelines for a happy life under the wisdom theme, How We Act. Melody Beatty says, gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. It can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Gratitude is really about having this awareness and appreciation for the good things in your life and not taking them for granted. It's about acknowledging the kindness of others. It helps us recognize that we are not solitary creatures and that others have helped and supported us along the way. Gratitude is an important character strength that is actually strongly correlated with happiness. In fact, studies have shown that gratitude is associated with greater well-being, better coping, and even better sleep. On the other hand, fixating on developing this attitude of gratitude can actually be harmful. How so? Well, telling people simply to buck up, count their blessings, and remember how much they still have to be grateful for if they are in great suffering can lead many of us to start feeling guilty for all the privilege we've got, all the good things we experience compared to less fortunate. And we start to negate our own suffering, which is never a good idea. Gratitude is definitely not guilt or feeling indebted to somebody, nor is it denying negativity. It is not a form of superficial happyology. Instead, it means realizing the power you have to transform an obstacle into an opportunity. It means reframing a loss into a potential gain, recasting negativity into positive channels for gratitude. Rick Hansen writes, when you start cultivating the attitude of gratitude, you're resting your mind increasingly on good things moving toward you, on being supported, on feelings of fullness, on the sense of having an open heart that moves toward an open hand, fuller and fuller, more and more fed by life instead of drained by it. You naturally feel like you have more of value inside yourself, and consequently, you have more to offer to others. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a few moments to settle in, to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, external and internal, with each cycle of breath. Allowing this boundary between the inner and the outer to dissolve, reminding yourself of interconnectedness of everything. Let this breath be soft and easy, completely uncontrolled. Simply observe how it flows in and out of your body and how your body responds to your easy breath. Invite effortlessness into your whole system, body, mind, and heart. As you scan your body from top to bottom, treat each exhale as an opportunity to soften a little bit. to lean into the support of the earth. And now bring to mind someone in your life who you associate with a strong sense of appreciation and love. What are the qualities in this person you're most grateful for? Let yourself feel your gratitude for this person in a very visceral way. Where in your body do you actually feel it? How exactly does it get manifested? As you feel it, as you go through this reflection, mentally or out loud, you can say something like this: thank you for being in my life. And maybe say their name. Spend a few moments sending loving kindness energy to this person. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Take a nice inhale and exhale and let that go. Turning your attention now to this question: what am I most grateful for in my life right now? Without putting a lot of pressure on yourself to find this one perfect thing, simply listen and notice how your gratitude expresses itself in your body and mind. And receive whatever comes to you with an open heart, even if some things may surprise you. Explore each experience that comes to you with curious and kind attention, viscerally feeling your gratitude. Every time you notice that you've been distracted and your mind wandering somewhere that's not here, bring yourself back to your primary anchor, whether it's your breath or some sensation in your body. Now take a nice inhale and exhale, let that go, and open your eyes. I swear every time we do a gratitude practice, a rainbow appears. But look at this one. It goes like through the entire sky. You can actually see the whole thing. Wow, this is pretty. So, as you go through your day today, I invite you to find what it is you're grateful for in everyday things, in things that you may usually take for granted. Just see what happens. Maybe we'll see many rainbows today in Cozumel as people of Cozumel reflect on their gratitude. We'll see. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.